This video shows how to identify the company critical success factors to finalize business diagnosis with a view to outlining the business growth strategy. As presented in the other video, business diagnosis is needed for strategic planning. Before outlining business strategy for growth, the company critical success factors should be analyzed, taking into consideration the business internal and external factors. There are several methods that facilitate to identify the company's critical success factors, including SWOT, cross-SWOT analysis, N7, New 7 tool for quality management, 4P3 analysis, and so on. This video shows how to apply SWOT and N7. SWOT analysis is a method to identify the company's critical success factor by considering company strength and weakness and business environment as opportunity and threat. The company's strength and weakness can be identified the analysis of internal factors, and opportunity and threat are identified by the analysis of external factors. In order to identify the company's critical success factors, there are several points to be analyzed in the framework of SWOT analysis. First, how can the company reinforce more its strengths? Second, how can the company take advantage of the opportunity by using its strengths? Third, how can the company's weakness be changed into the strengths? Fourth, how can the company take advantage of the opportunity to reduce its weakness? Fifth, how can the threat be changed into the opportunities? Sixth, how can the threat be mitigated by using the company's strengths? Seventh, how can the company prevent from combining the weakness and threat? For example, if we consider the possibility to reinforce more the company's first strengths, systematizing the company's training system for workers can be one of the critical success factor candidates. Taking account the second strength and the first opportunity presented in this table, increasing market share while the competitors do not have enough raw material can be another candidate of critical success factor. In this way, several critical success factor candidates can be identified. It is important to say that the company need not realize all of these critical success factor candidates, but select important factors in terms of impact and necessity. Then we can outline the business strategy by focusing prioritized critical success factors. Now let's think about the case of applying New 7 tool for quality management to identify the company's critical success factors. Supposing that a garment production company has cash shortage risk and this may cause constraints for business expansion, how can we resolve this problem? In this case, we can analyze causal relations among the several problems observed in the companies by applying relation diagram, one of the New 7 tools for quality management. Cash shortage risk can be caused by purchase of raw material by cash and customer delays of payment. A lot of product in process can cause insufficient cash flow as well. The product in process is caused by problem in line balancing, varied production capacity among different processes. This problem also leads to low productivity, and this can cause constraints for business expansion. Problems in line balancing are caused by limited capacity of finishing process, malfunction in sewing machines, and insufficient number of multi-skilled workers. In this case of the garment factory, problem in line balancing can be root cause of the company's several problems, and therefore to improve line balancing can be candidate of critical success factor. Once the critical success factors are identified, possible action to be undertaken can be planned as well by applying system diagram, another tool of New 7 tool for quality management, by considering the causal relations identified by relation diagram. There are several methods to identify critical success factors with a view to outline the business growth strategy. Business consultant may apply the appropriate method for each of different cases.